Hello everyone, this is my review of this heat shrink tubing, a fantastic solution for creating secure and professional grade wire connection. The 1/4 inch tubing with a 3 to 1 shrink ratio is versatile and works perfectly for various applications, whether you're repairing wires or protecting connections or working on marine grade projects. The adhesive lined interior ensures a tight seal when heated, making the tubing waterproof and highly durable. This feature is especially useful for outdoors or marine environments where moisture resistance is crucial. The tubing shrinks evenly and grips wires firmly, providing a clean and professional finish for every project that you do. The 25 feet tubing is a generous length and excellent value for the price. The material is flexible and works easy, yet it's sturdy enough to withstand regular wear and tear. Its black color adds a neat and, I guess, polished look to wiring jobs. Whether you're a professional electrician or do it yourself enthusiast, this tubing is an excellent choice for reliable and long lasting results. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.